In today's video, I'm going to teach you about what Otter AI offers and what you'll need to build a successful assistant using its capabilities. Understanding the essential components Otter AI provides is the first step in tapping into its full potential. Otter AI is well equipped with integrations that seamlessly connect with popular platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, Slack, and HubSpot, among others. These integrations allow you to export transcripts, generate summaries, and extract action items effortlessly. This feature set is enhanced by Otter's integration with Zapier, which provides powerful automation tools. For instance, whenever a new transcript is ready, Zapier can be set up to ensure it reaches the desired destination or triggers further actions, streamlining your workflow considerably. However, it's worth noting that Otter AI currently lacks an open API that permits unrestricted programmatic access beyond what is available through these integrations. This means that if you are designing an assistant, you might need to rely heavily on these built-in tools and potentially work with an enterprise plan if you require more extensive API access. Having a strategic blueprint or architecture is crucial to building an efficient assistant using Otter AI. So, imagine your assistant's workflow as a sequence of interconnected components. It all begins with capturing audio, perhaps through Autopilot or another integrated bot designed to record meetings or import existing recordings. Once this audio capture is complete, Otter works its magic by transcribing the audio into text and generating meaningful insights and summaries, which include action items derived from the conversation. The next critical phase involves triggering an event once a new transcript is completed. At this point, you could use Zapier or Otter's built-in event notifications to proceed with any workflow automation you've set up. Your assistant, acting as a logic layer, will then take this transcript or summary and process it programmatically. This could involve performing sentiment analysis, extracting decisions, assigning tasks, or even searching a knowledge base to augment its findings. Once all this processing is done, it's time for your assistant to deliver the results. These outputs can be shared via email, integrated into Slack, or entered into project management tools like Asana, Monday.com, or Notion, depending on your requirements. You might also find it beneficial to create tasks, provide project updates, or send out reminders at this stage, as well as store transcripts and summaries within a database or knowledge management system. Finally, it's important to incorporate a feedback loop into your assistant's architecture. Allow users to correct or annotate transcripts or summaries. This feedback can be invaluable for refining the prompts you use, improving the logic, and enhancing task assignment processes. Harnessing user feedback not only improves accuracy, but can also elevate overall user satisfaction, offering a robust and dynamic experience with your Otter AI powered assistant.